So in today's lecture, we'll understand amortization of loan. Now we'll be doing two questions in this to properly understand how to calculate loan repayment installment, how to calculate the principal amount and the interest component in this installment. So the first question is, a loan of rupees 10,000 is to be repaid by equal annual installments of principal and interest over a period of 20 years. The rate of interest is 3% per annum, which is effective rate of interest, and we have to find out the annual installment. So this information is given to us. From this information we have to find out in this question just the annual installment. Now first we'll just write down all the information that is given to us. Rate of interest 0.3% is given to us. Periods, we have this is an annual installment, so the period is 1, and number of payments, as it is for 20 years, the number of payments are 20 payments, and the amount of loan is rupees 10,000. Now like I said, when installment is to be paid, we have the installment amount, and in the installment amount we have two things. We have the principal component of the installment and we have the interest component of the installment. Now to calculate the annual installment amount, we'll put the formula. Like you can see, the formula is PMT. So we'll write equal to PMT. So yes, we'll put the function equal to PMT, open the bracket. The first thing that we have to type is the rate, so we'll click on rate 0.03, comma, then it is n per number of periods or number of payments. Total number of payments is 20, so we'll click on that, comma. Present value, as we don't have any future value, present value will have the symbol minus. So either you can put minus over here or you can put minus at the beginning of the formula, equal to minus PMT. In both the cases you will get a positive answer. So after putting minus, we'll click on 10,000, that is our present value or the amount of the loan. Future value is 0, we'll enter 0, comma, type is 0. Now nothing is given in the question whether the installment amount has to be paid in the end of the period or the beginning of the period. So like I already told this to you in the class, when nothing is mentioned in the question, it is always end of the period. So 0, bracket close. Now because both the amounts are 0 and 0, there is no future value. So if you don't enter this and just end your formula at E12, your answer will be the same. So we are pressing enter now. So when we press enter, we are getting INR 672.16. So this is our annual installment for 20 years. At the end of every year, if we pay 672 rupees 16 paisa, we will be able to repay our loan of 10,000 at rate of interest 3%. Now if when you're typing this, instead of INR you're getting dollar symbol, then what are we supposed to do? We'll go here, more accounting formats, symbol will change dollar to INR. Our decimal places are also up to 2. Okay, so dollar will be changed to INR. Now the second question, this is our second question. Like I said, annual installment, all the installments have two components, principal amount and the interest amount. The installment amount is always the same. If they are equal installments, the installment amount will remain the same, but the principal amount for each payment and the interest amount for each payment will differ. So now this question is, a loan of rupees 3 lakh at rate of interest 6% compounded monthly is to be amortized by equal payments at the end of each month for 5 years. We have to find three things. First, installment amount to be paid every month. Second, principal amount in fourth payment. And third, interest amount in fourth payment. Now, because these are equal payments and they are paid at the end of each month for 5 years, so the total payments will be 12 into 5, which is 60. So there will be 60 equal payments with principal amount and interest amount differing every month. Now to solve this question, first we will write the rate of interest, which is 0.06, periods in a year 12, number of years 5, amount of loan is 3 lakh. Now the first thing that we have to calculate is interest amount to be paid every month. Installment amount to be paid every month. Installment amount is denoted with the symbol R. Now, like we discussed it in the first question, the formula or the function that we use is equal to PMT. So first we'll find out the installment amount, which is equal to PMT, bracket open, our rate is 0.06 divided by, now this is compounded monthly, so we'll divide it by 12. In the previous question we did not do that because it was annual, so it was divided by 1. N per 5 into 12, so that is number of years is 5 and it is compounded monthly, so 5 into 12, number of periods or number of payments is 60, comma, then PV is minus 3 lakh, comma, again you can leave it as it is because future value is 0 and nothing is given, so it is end of the period. So both are 0. We'll close the bracket, we'll press enter. If your answer is in dollar, you'll change it to INR. So the amount of installment is rupees 5,799.84. Now this is the installment that has to be paid every month for 5 years to repay a loan of rupees 3 lakh, compounded monthly at rate of interest 6%. Now the second thing that we have to find out is principal amount in the fourth payment. So the first payment at the end of first month, second payment at the end of second month, third payment at the end of third month, and then when we are making the fourth payment, what is the principal amount and what is the installment amount. Now this we discussed in the first question itself, that the principal amount and installment amount will change across all the equal payments made. So to find out the principal amount in fourth payment, we'll use the formula equal to PPMT, open the brackets. The things that we have to write are almost the same. Rate of interest, which is divided by 12 because it is compounded monthly. Next is PER, that is period. For which period or for which payment are we calculating the principal amount? So that is 4. If we were calculating it for the 12th payment, we would have written 12 over here. 50th payment, we would have written 50 over here. So this is the fourth payment, so we are writing 4, comma, number of periods, again it is 5, number of years into compounded annually, so 12, comma, minus amount of loan is 3 lakh, again 0, comma, 0. Close the brackets, press enter. So it is INR 4,364.66. This is our principal amount in fourth payment. Next is installment amount equal to IPMT. So for interest, the function is IPMT. Similarly, rate divided by number of periods, comma, this is also for fourth payment, comma, 12 into 5, comma, minus 3 lakh. We'll just close it over here because future value is 0 and it is end of each month. Press enter, and our installment amount is 1435.18. so principal amount plus installment amount, principal amount plus interest amount, this is the interest that we are calculating. So principal amount is INR 4364.66, interest amount is 1435.18. So when we add this, we get the installment. So principal plus interest gives us the installment. So this is the answer.